Rank these 10 trades on intelligence required.
I'm going to go 10, a drywall finisher, 9, a roofer, 8, tiling, 7, a concrete finisher, 6, rebar. You know, honestly, that whole 5, total toss-up. Here we go, 5, iron worker, 4, welder, 3, sheet metal, 2, a carpenter, and number 1, a pipe fitter.
Let's see what ChatGPT says. Number 10 is roofer. Number 9 is drywall finisher. Number 8 is concrete finisher. Number 7 is those rebar guys. Number 6 is a tiler. Number 5 is iron workers. Number 4 is carpenter. Number 3 is welder. Number 2 is sheet metal. And number 1 is pipe fitter. Your list was pretty damn accurate to what ChatGPT says.
Mm-hmm.